everyone. Welcome to the Huntington Beach Public Library virtual story time. My name is Miss Lina and I am a librarian. So I like to start my story times with a hello song. Now, how do we say hello? Should we clap? Let's clap together. Clap and say hello. We clap and say hello. With my friends at Storytime, we clap and say hello. Now, how else can we say hello? We can stomp our feet. We stomp and say hello. We stomp and say hello. With my friends at Storytime, we stomp and say hello. Another way we can say hello is to wiggle our arms like this. Let's wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. We wiggle and say hello. We wiggle and say hello. With my friends at Storytime, we wiggle and say hello. Another way we can say hello is to wave. We wave and say hello. We wave and say hello. With my friends at Storytime, we wave and say hello. Hello, everyone. So today, our story is going to be all about rain. And can anybody tell me what this is? This is an umbrella. What color is it? It is purple. We have one purple umbrella. And then this one is blue. Two umbrellas. And this one is green. Three umbrellas. This umbrella is pink. Four umbrellas. And the last umbrella is yellow. 5 little umbrellas. So one day, it started to rain really hard. Pitter, patter, pitter, patter. And one of the umbrellas shouted, pick me, I want to go outside into the rain. So the pink umbrella was chosen. And only 4 little umbrellas were left. The 4 little umbrellas started to call out, choose me, choose me. So the blue umbrella was chosen. And only 3 little umbrellas were left. The 3 little umbrellas were feeling really sad. They wanted to go out in the rain too. So the green umbrella called out, choose me, please, please. And he was chosen to go outside, and only 2 little umbrellas were left. And so the purple umbrella pulled out his hand, and he said, choose me, please, choose me. And he was chosen too, and only 1 little umbrella was left. The yellow one. And it also stopped raining. It stopped going pitter-patter, pitter-patter. And so the yellow umbrella still decided to go out and play with his friends. So he went outside and there were no little umbrellas left. The end. So our first story today is also about rain. And it is called Zebra's Umbrella by David Hernández Sevillano. Zebra's Umbrella. The dry season had finally come to an end on the savannah. Zebra looked up at the sky as the rain started to fall. Pitter-patter, pitter-patter, and opened his colorful umbrella. Gazelle bounded over. Can I get under there with you? Of course. There's room for 2. Zebra and Gazelle were watching the rain fall when the rhinoceros trotted over. "Can I get under there with you?" "Of course. There's room for 3. Zebra, Gazelle, and Rhinoceros were having some hot chocolate while they were listening to the sound of the rain pattering on the umbrella. At that very moment, Elephant showed up. "Is there room for me? I'm not as big as I look." So the elephant got under the umbrella and they were all drinking hot chocolate. The storm was picking up speed when Hare appeared with her daughters. "Is there room for us?" "Of course," everyone replied. So they were all under the umbrella. Then Lion showed up. They all watched him with fear until Zebra said, "You're getting wet. Come on under. But there will be no biting us." So the lion got under the umbrella. Under the umbrella, they all enjoyed stories, riddles, games, and songs. After a while, it stopped raining. Gazelle, Rhinoceros, Elephant, and Hare thanked Zebra. Lion smiled and said, "Zebra, why is your umbrella so colorful?" "Oh, I thought you knew," said Zebra. "My umbrella is colorful so that you can find me when it's raining." The end. So let's sing a song together. And I think we know what it's called. It's called the Itsy Bitsy Spider song, everybody. So let's put our fingers together like this and sing. Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Like this. Good job, everybody. Okay, let's do it one more time. Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Good job, everybody! So our last book today is called Rain by Manya Stojic. Rain. It was hot. Everything was hot and dry. The red soil was hot and dry and cracked. A porcupine sniffed around. "It's time," she whispered. "The rain is coming. I can smell it. I must tell Zebra." Lightning flashed. "The rain is coming," said Zebra. "Porcupine can smell it. We can see it. We must tell the baboons." Thunder boomed. "The rain is coming," cried the baboons. "Porcupine can smell it. The zebras can see it. We can hear it. We must tell the rhino." The raindrops splashed. "The rain is here," said the rhino. "Porcupine can smell it. The zebra saw it. The baboons heard it. And I felt it. I must tell Lion." The lion spoke in a deep purr. "Yes, the rain is here. I can smell it. I can see it. I can hear it. And, he sighed, I can taste it. It rained, and it rained, and it rained. It rained until every river gushed and gurgled. It rained until every water hole was full. Then the rain stopped, and everywhere long, feathery grasses grew from the soil. Every tree began to sprout fresh green leaves. I can't taste the rain now, purred the lion, but I can enjoy the shades of these big green leaves. I can't feel the rain now, said the rhino, but I can lie in the cool, soft, squelchy mud. We can't hear the rain now, shouted the baboons, but we can eat fresh, juicy fruit from the trees. We can't see the rain now, said the zebras, but we can have a refreshing drink from the water hole. I can't smell the rain now, whispered the porcupine, but I know that it will come back again when it's time. Then the sun shone over the plain. It was hot. Everything was drying out. The red soil was hot and dry. A tiny crack appeared. The end. All right, everybody, it is the end of story time, but we usually end our story time with a goodbye song. So today I'm going to sing the bread and butter song, everybody. We're going to clap like this and then pat our knees like this. Here we go. Bread and butter, jelly and jam. Let's say goodbye as high as we can. Goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. Bread and butter, jelly and jam. Let's say goodbye as low as we can. Goodbye, goodbye. Bread and butter, jelly and jam. Let's say goodbye as fast as we can. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Bread and butter, jelly and jam. Let's say goodbye as slow as we can. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.